If you see that I have not arrested you, don't think that you are safe. I'm just waiting for enough evidence. The mistake of you, of IGG, the mistake of Nakarema's office, it is also going there, is to recruit people depending, and URA, recruit people using papers. Look for integrity. The people of integrity are there in Uganda. Bemba mnonya, temunonya bano popular. The judiciary, you cannot block him. The judiciary, the civil service, the army, if somebody can run very fast, I recruit him. Does running fast mean you are not a thief? No, you may run fast, but you could be a thief. But the other three areas, URA, IGG, this is Nakarema's office, the other one of State House unit, you should recruit only on the basis of integrity. So that we have got a safe zone, a zone where there is no corruption. But now, because you are depending on papers, on what, the whole system is infiltrated.
Yes, especially when I address my brothers and sisters in the judiciary, that a corrupt-free judiciary starts with me. How I wonder the case before me, whether I am acting in accordance with the law and the Constitution and with the commitment and the obligation we swear to do justice to all manner of people without fear or favor. There is biblical context for this theme when it says, start with me. You remove the speck in your friend's eye when you have a log in your own. If you are yourself corrupt, you have a big log in your eye, how do you fight the corruption in other people's eyes? And we as a judiciary, who often are at the forefront of hearing and trying cases of people accused of corruption, when you as a judicial officer has a log in your eye, it will be very difficult for you to do justice to that type of case. Having said this, Your Excellency, permit me now to read a commitment on behalf of the Uganda judiciary. I'm going to sign it, but it is as if it is signed by each one of us individually as judges. I, Bart Magunda Katurebe, Chief Justice of the Republic of Uganda, on behalf of the judiciary and on my own behalf, do hereby pledge that the judiciary will adhere to the following commitments as we administer justice in the execution of our duties. 1, to be honest and ethical in all our dealings. 2, to provide timely services to the people of Uganda. And 3, to refuse to elicit or accept any bribe. And 4, to ensure zero tolerance for corruption. Your Excellency, I want to assure you that from today, the judiciary recommits itself to act always in accordance with the law and the Constitution and the rules of justice and fairness. I thank you.
Your Excellency, before I give my remarks, permit me to invite one Geoffrey to present a song that is going to prelude my humble statement. Geoffrey.
No. Your Excellency, I am Bengana Geoffrey Umshambo, Kanan Kajunwa. And this is a man who has been with you since 1996 up to now. That is in terms of music. Let me start.
A zero tolerance to corruption policy, which policy, Your Excellency, you approved yourself when you were in the chair of cabinet. And I remember you giving me a good remark, Lokodo Abeo, when I was presenting that paper. Today I want to say this was not the work of Lokodo, but the work of the anti-corruption agencies, which policy is aimed at ensuring effective collaboration in fighting corruption for improved, more efficient and effective service delivery. And it will put everybody at the helm of this engagement. The cultural leaders, the religious leaders, the Wananchi, the civil society organizations, and of course the government leaders. So this policy, as was approved by Cabinet in October, will go a long way in creating a participatory approach in the fight against corruption. I'm very happy that you'll be launching this policy today, and together with the National Anti-Corruption Strategy 2019-2024, it will be a sign that we have stamped our foot hard on the ground and say no to corruption, and therefore applaud the policy of zero tolerance to corruption. Your Excellency, we lack words, but accept this humble thank you for the confidence and encouragement you have always extended to the agencies in the exercise of their mandate through financial support and other guidance. I'm here on their behalf, and I reaffirm commitment and dedication as anti-corruption agencies to unreservedly fight corruption at all levels, at all angles, and in all areas of government. Your Excellency, I thank you very much for your presence here and for showing us your intent, ardent and unreserved will to fight corruption. I said this for God and my country.